Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and through this video I would like to show you the way how to uninstall application from your iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is just find the applications that you want to uninstall. So let's say I would like to uninstall this application. So the thing that you have to do is just click and hold the application until you found the options. So whenever you click and hold, several options over the application will be show up. To uninstall this application, you just need to go click remove app, and after that go click delete app. And for the last step, you need to confirm that you want to delete the applications, and this application will be disappear from your iPhone. It will be gone from your home screen as well as the app library. So that is the way, guys, how to uninstall application on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.